Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this HIK Vision DVR for the CCTV camera system. So let's take a look at this box right now. So you can see that it's made by HIK Vision and it's a DS7200 series model, and it says here it has H265 and H264 video compressions for compressing the larger videos, and it says high definition real time recording, support turbo HT video input. I don't know what the turbo HT means, but let me just show you. You can see in this camera made by Hikvision, it also says turbo in here, so I guess it's for that purpose. So moving on to the box, it says easy smart search for motion even during playback. So I guess we'll be easily able to identify the time at which there's motion in the video when you are searching through a still image. Still video sequence. So coming on to the box, it says HDMI output at up to 4K resolution. So we will be able to see the output in 4K resolution in the monitor, I guess. And it also says live view from a smart device or internet. So we will be able to see what is happening in the CCTV circuit system uh, through the smartphone. I guess there must be some app for this. So you will be also able to speak through the app, and the what you are speaking will be outputted through the DVR to the HDMI TV if it is connected, or a speaker system. So it says multi-channel synchronous playback and all those things. And it also over here it says it's a USB backup. So we will be able to take up the backup of the video through USB through this device in a pen drive or some any external hard disk or something, I guess. Okay, so on the top there's nothing special, and you can see that at the back also it says the same things. And coming over to the side, one of the side it says DS72 series 7200 series, and it gives us the exact model number here, the model number being DS7B04HUHIK1, I guess. The serial number and the date, I guess it's manufactured in 2018, January of 2018, the material code and all those things, and it says it's made in China over here. Okay, and you can see the brand's website over here, www.hikvision.com. So moving on to the other side of the box, I think this must be their customer care numbers. So it says manufactured by Angsong Hikvision Technology. It's manufactured in China. It's manufactured in China and it's imported and distributed and January 2018 for a date of manufacture and import. And here you can see the customer service number. Yeah, and here it says the same things as of the front of the box. And it also says fragile. This way up, keep away from rain and all those things. So now let's open up this box.
Here we have some paperwork. So attention, new firmware, secure activation procedure, produce new from. So it says that we have to give a default. There is no default password, so we have to give a password to activate this device. And more information about secure activation procedure can be found at they given the site for the support and other things were here. So how to activate device? Okay. So for video tutorials about upgrading firmware and changing passwords on YouTube, they have given the YouTube address so that you can we can get into the basic demo on how to set up this DVR. So okay, so they have given the password guidelines. Let's keep that aside. So let's look into the contents of this box. So over here we have a mouse and a power adapter, I guess. And over here we have a remote, and like we have a remote over here and a SATA cable, I guess, for using the hard disk. Some screws over here to set up the hard disk into the DVR, I guess, and the power cord for the hard disk. And here's the device itself. So let's take a look at this device. So this is the Hikvision DVR. Let's get the box out of the way. So here is the DVR. It says Hikvision. I guess these are some indication lights to show that this is the power, I guess, and the storage, and I don't know what this means. You have a USB at the front. Coming over to the back, this is actually a 4-channel DVR, so you can see that it has 4 video inputs and 4 audio inputs, and there's audio out for the dual channel 2-channel audio, I guess, and sorry, for the two-way audio, and there's a Ethernet port, there's a HDMI port, a USB port at the back, there's a VGA port, and this is the power, and this is the power on off switch, I guess. So the sides, you can see that they are transparent. So these are the ports once again. So to open up the DVR, you have to unscrew these 2 screws, I guess, 1 and 2 screws over here, and also these screws 1, 2, and 3, 4. A total of 6 screws to unlock this and place the hard disk inside. So let's unlock this. Okay, guys, I have a screwdriver, so let's unlock this. So you can see this is a circuit for the DVR, and I think we'll be placing the hard disk somewhere over here. I think I bought this DVR for 5,800 rupees. I bought this because this is capable of recording 5 megapixel videos from 5 megapixel cameras, and I think the frame rate is 12 frames per second. And for a 4 megapixel camera, I mean, if you use the same camera and make it into a for 4 megapixel camera, it will shoot I think around 14 or 16, something like that. And for 3 megapixel cameras, it shoots 18 frames per second. And for 2 megapixel or 1080p resolution, it shoots 25 frames per second. So that's it, guys. This is the DVR 7200 series from HIK. Thank you guys for watching.